Hey, what's up everybody? I'm gonna unboxing for iPhone 13 Pro. So you can see this one, just to remove that the box. I want to just showing. So they're adding no more new features and the upgrade, and they're doing a lot of stuff. You can see what this come with the cable and this pin remove for that my SIM card tray. So this size is 6.1 inch in the Pro. The Sarah blue. This is gorgeous colors. Let's see. It's a gorgeous color. Chargers put USB-C and then put this USB-C Type C. The phone is
You also can find some message or sentence from the photos. You can copy from the photo that message and you can send to anybody, and that make you very easier for your workflow. The real fact, the true things, honestly, that iPhone 13 Pro is making a very big difference and the best iPhone ever.
put this English, United States. Set up his own and let's quick start. I can put so the transfer from my 10 to that.
It has a bunch of features, 4K recording. Let's see if I can get many cookies to get.
Another thing is the price also the same in a Pro Max. So if you go for the Pro Max 128 GB, it stays same like 1099. And if you go for Pro, they got for 256 GB. And especially if I'm telling that if you go for that 6.7 inch for Pro Max. So I have already that that display. So when you're just trying to adding, you have to add for screen and it getting wide as well, and also for the cover. So when you're just adding for the screen and cover, it gets more heavier and a little more thicker.
So this time iPhone 13 Pro and iPhone 13 Pro Max, the camera quality and video is everything the same. So the difference is the sizes. But what I do like most about that 13 Pro, this is really very handy and it's 6.1 inch only display, and I do have the same size 6.7 inch like that Pro Max, that size with my Android. So I prefer to using for 6.1 inch. Is really handy, and also beside the same 1099 before tax, and I go for beside 128 I just choose for 256 GB.
The photos, videos, and color, size, fidelity, quality, and I believe the iPhone will win every single time. That's my point of view. And if you get a live photos, you can get a different type of photos. You can take a live photo, and if you want to make this together with the video, you can find from that iPhone, and this is absolutely beautiful. And you can go as a save as a photo file or as a make another videography. And I just do video editing or videography, so I prefer you make more smooth video when you just make it for that cinematic shot, that upgrading a lot of things and making a lot of different features, the adding, and this is the best iPhone ever. This time they put like A15 Bionic chip, which is strong graphic card. They put an A15 Bionic chip, like the better graphic. The battery is 31 mAh. This is more strong battery. So I believe that the iPhone will make that for the finger saw. The finger step either is that right side and or like finger. That will be the request, the first that I'm really expecting for. And another part will be the USB-C type, totally both, like USB Type C and this.
Let me know guys
this
which one
Type-C.
you prefer more
And
out of these two devices, and I'll be very
so
happy
hope
to
you
hear
guys
from you.
I love that I enjoy that new phone that came out, the best phone in the market and iPhone ever made. So hope you guys enjoy your phone with the Pro 13 Pro. This is the made in very good, the best phone that ever made it. And thank you again for watching, and I'll see you the next one.